part, and this could be one of many. This could be the first move you make, and the second move you make should be a warrants offering. Why don't you grab $1 billion now on this deal, and then a month or so from now, 2 months from now, why don't you do a warrants offering to all your shareholders? There's 350 million out there, ballpark. Now issue 350 million warrants exercisable at $30 a share on a 3-to-1 basis. If the short's going to continue, here we go. I am still sitting back going, who bought all of these shares that traded starting May the 2nd when we were sitting at about $10, $11 a share or so? A little while ago, here we go. May the 2nd, we were sitting at $12.76. On May the 1st, we were at $10.91 for the closing day, the closing trade. So from $10.91 at the end of the May 1st, all the way up here, we're now at 21 something a share, more than double the stock. And as you know, we've hit in the 40s and 50s. We even touched $80 a share pre-market one morning. Who put all that stock? Who made all that happen? Before any roaring kitty rumors started, before any speculation started about short squeeze or anything else, someone was just coming in there and buying it all up. And I'm wondering, did these folks pick up 100 million shares for themselves at under $18 a share? Did they clean it up with an average of $14 a share, $15 a share, and it's now sitting at 21 something? With this financing being done quickly, could the stock now be on its way to 35, 45 again, making everybody happy? Those who are long, not making any shorters happy, keeping them on the wrong side of the deal. Did you hear the news about? You might remember 3 years ago, there was a gentleman named Andrew Left who was short this stock. He was short GameStop way back in 2020. 2021. From what we understood at the time, we thought he was short 20 or 40 million shares, maybe 10 to 20 million shares. And he was losing money. And when it got to $20 a share, he was losing money, like lots of money. And then we heard he was defending his move to short it because the company is a dinosaur. They're going out of business. It's a brick and mortar company, blah, 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 blah. The stock went up and up and up as the word got out that here's a guy who we know is short. He's a hedge fund guy. They ended up covering their stock at around $90 a share, and his entity lost billions. We know Melvin Capital and others lost a lot of money as well as it went to 300, 400. Anyway, Mr. Left is shorting again. He's short the stock again. And I'm kind of going, oh no. This 45 million share offering is not going to kill the stock price. I mean, it's 15% of the company's dilution. This is, if they were issuing 200 million shares, I could see it. Okay, you're increasing your stock holdings by 2/3, but 15%. This will be gobbled up in a minute. What happens? I mean, we've traded 15 million this morning in the pre-market, just to give you a handle. We've already traded 15 million this morning. 45 million shares will take nothing to issue it. What if the stock pops to 35, $40 next week again? Mr. Left can't possibly be short at $40 a share. I got to think that he shorted on the way up into the 12s to 15s to $17 to $18 level. He might be short at 15, and if they're trading at 35 to 45 with $2 billion in the bank now, stronger corporation. Does he lose again? Now what? I don't know what's going on. There's so much a wild speculation going on here, and will be, and should be.